we made it through our vlog week. It's Friday. Yeah, bud. Yeah. It's Friday. It's Friday. Yeah. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. But yeah, guys, it's a beautiful day outside on this Friday afternoon. The sun is out. Like, the sun is out. So guys, I don't got nothing to do today. It's a chill day. It's a chill day. But I'm gonna be doing a room tour. And after that, I'm gonna be organizing my closet. But that's gonna be another video. So stay tuned for that video. Is that right, bud? So I'm doing a room tour, probably kicking a workout today, and just chill. So yeah, this light is just on me today. The fit for today, guys, is regular tape, some shorts, and just some flip-flops. What's going on? So, you wanna be in it? Yeah. The girl we did it. But yeah. Over here. No, diggy. So guys, I'm about to go eat. Cause I'm growing hungry. Yep. See, but over here already ate. You already ate. Did you eat already? This is a hot mess, guys. Here's the before of this messy closet, you guys. I'm getting new rods and then space for all of this stuff. I think I'm gonna put another one up here and another one down here. So look at this, guys. Oh, this is a disaster. So I'm about to start taking all of this stuff out. Yup. See? Alright guys, so there's so much going on right now. It's just everything in my room is all over the place. But me trying to fix this closet up. So I was supposed to film him, put in up stuff like that, but y'all, it was too much. And I had already too much clothes. But y'all look at this. Like, and then on his bed, on the floor and stuff, like, y'all, this is clothes, baskets, shoes and stuff. But this is what the closet looks like. Okay, my shoes are up top right now, and then we got this bar and then this bar, guys. And for this right here, this was up here, but we added it down so to make it more even, so it looks like this. And I have to arrange all this, guys, and fix everything up, but that's what it's looking. And then this disaster right here, you guys, like, it's crazy. I'll bring you guys along with me of doing this process and stuff like that, and show you what the final result is. Okay, guys, so here's the process so far. He's looking okay. Aiden's clothes, and then his clothes down here too, and then these are like cardigans and like pants, and then like these are like blazers and like some cardigans that fits and some dresses that's short. So that's the process. I mean, the room is getting along. Still a mess, y'all. Still a mess. Entering the door, guys. This is the bed. I don't got anything on the wall yet, but I'm gonna be putting stuff on the wall. But here's the bed and everything and stuff right here. Going here's a carpet. I have the trash can right here, but some shoes I usually wear carpet. And then on this wall, guys, it's gonna be more. I'm gonna put a picture right here, and then like a calendar. But I'm gonna put like, it's gonna be like a gallery wall. So this is what's gonna be. Then I have my daily robe, and then my mirror, and then going right here, guys, is a TV. Got some candlelight, and then I have Aiden's water thing, warmer, and then I got this right here. And then right here, guys, is Aiden's stuff. He's organized where I put all his wipes and all that. And then right here, guys, is his crib, which everything matched the color. And then on the wall, got his 2 elephants, and then our family pigs. And then I have a chair right here, guys, that you just sit in. This lamp right here, these curtains, I don't know what my mom got for, but I know they're expensive. And I got this also right here, this chair. And I got this gray carpet I got from Ross. Got this from Ross, and then got this carpet from Cargolado. So far, guys, this is the bedroom. Nothing fancy. You see? This is nothing fancy. So, guys, right here's the closet. So I'm going to show you the closet of the final result of the closet. It took me a long time to put everything up, but I'm just going to show you guys. This is what it looks like, guys. I like how everything is, and I love how everything's organized. His shoes, my shoes is up here, his shoes, and then some of his towels and like blankets are right here. So yeah, guys, really like it. Y'all, I am sweating like it's nothing. It's so hot. It's like 81 degrees outside, and I am like dying of sweat. So I'm hungry right now. Oh my god, I am hungry right now, so I'm about to go eat. But I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys, because you know I just need to relax. My head's starting to hurt, and Aiden woke up, so I'm gonna just go chill and watch some TV. So I hope you like this weekly vlog. If you guys want me to do more like this, just comment below. Make sure you give the video a like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to turn your notifications so you know when my next video is. And yeah, guys, so I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.